an E flat minor. E flat, G flat, B flat, G flat, E flat. Just the E flat minor chord. Alright, and then we're gonna go F, E flat, D flat, D flat. You're gonna hit the D flat twice the first time. Second time you're gonna hit it once. Alright, so all together, this is the intro. Alright, you're gonna do that twice. Slow it down. Alright, then for the verse, you're gonna go. For the verse, you're gonna go. Alright, so what I'm doing, left hand, I'm playing everything 3 times. E flat, octaves, playing octaves. So E flat, and then D flat. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4 to the B. D flat. 3, 4, 1. Back to the D flat. Alright, so that's the left hand. Right hand, you're just gonna alternate between 3 chords. The G flat major, D flat, G flat, and B flat. D flat major, D flat, F, and A flat. B major, B, E flat, and G flat, or B, D sharp, and F sharp. Alright, and you're gonna go back to the D flat major. So let you see. D flat major to the G flat, back to the D flat, down to the B, D flat, back to the G flat, back to the D flat. So real slow. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. Alright. Then when you go to the beat part, you're just going to do the same thing with the right hand, but you're not going to go to the B chord. You're just going to stay between the G flat chord and the D flat chord. And you're going to do your run on your left hand. So, and then when they go to the beat it, so you're gonna play G flat, E flat, and you're gonna play E flat minor 7 chord, D flat, E flat, right hand, B flat, D flat, and G flat. Hit that 3 times. Hit the D flat chord, D flat major. I got A flat, D flat, and F on my right hand with D flat. So. To the B, back to the D flat. So it's essentially the same chord, just also just inverting the G flat chord. Alright, so that's the whole song. So I just play through it quickly. I play a little bit slower than normal. B, D flat, E flat. Back, do it again. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. Alright, go to the beat it. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.